This video is made specifically for you if you're sick of living paycheck to paycheck, you want to get out of debt, or you want to create chances where none previously existed. Anyone trying to build a name for themselves in the finance industry will find today's video to be a game changer. We'll discuss tried and true steps that will make you rich even if you are nowhere, supported by research and actual success stories. The last step is the most important one, so do watch the video till the end. So now let's start. 1. Have a positive outlook. To get wealthy in a few months or even overnight, the first step is to have the appropriate mentality. For you to overcome challenges and continue learning and growing, you must have a growth-oriented mindset. In order to maintain a positive outlook, one must be persistent in moving forward, learn from mistakes, invest in education and skills, and take sensible risks. There are other suggestions to abide by, like developing an efficient routine, venturing outside of your comfort zone, and surrounding yourself with successful individuals. 2. Set yourself some targets. Goal setters tend to be wealthy. Setting objectives for yourself and ranking them in order of importance can help you become like them and get wealthy from nothing. You must be clear about your financial goals, whether they are debt repayment, stock market and real estate investments, business establishment, or a comfortable retirement. You must specify your short and long-term goals, the time frame by which you want to reach them, and a documented, comprehensive strategy for how you intend to accomplish each goal while you are creating your goals. Setting realistic goals might aid your financial strategy. If you want more tips on getting rich, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Create a financial plan. Create a financial plan that will act as a roadmap for reaching financial success when you have a clear notion of the financial goals you want to achieve. Making a financial plan entails conducting an extensive inventory of your financial holdings, figuring out your net worth, and determining which parts of your financial situation may be improved, such as cutting costs, paying off debts, increasing income, and optimizing assets to meet your financial objectives. You must assess your existing earnings and outgoings, assets and obligations, tax planning, financial commitments, insurance coverage, and retirement plans while making financial plans. Keep in mind that financial planning is a continuous activity, not a one-time event. You must constantly check for updates and modifications and make sure your financial objectives and circumstances are compatible. 4. Make a budget. After deciding on your objectives, making a budget will help you manage your cash flow so that you can pay off debts and assess whether a certain financial goal is realistic for the time being. Determine your income, make a list of your costs, allocate money for your objectives, analyze and track your spending, and then alter your budget as necessary. A budget forces you to classify and keep track of your spending so you can see where your money is going, whether it's on necessities like rent, food, and transportation, or on discretionary items like entertainment, shopping, and eating out. You may also manage your income and spending using a smartphone app or online tool for budgeting, like as INVEST, Mint, or Simplify, to obtain a better overall perspective of your portfolio. 5. Establish many revenue streams. You may want to think about looking for more possibilities to use your abilities to increase your income in addition to what you now make at your day job. You can seek for side employment where you can use your gift or life skills, such as freelancing online, selling things online, creating a blog or business, or any other form of extra work. 6. Invest your money. While side jobs might bring in a passive income, investing your money is the smart move if you're hoping to accumulate wealth over the long run. It would be ideal to begin learning about various investing options, such as the real estate market, stock markets with dividends, bonds, mutual funds, cryptocurrencies, or other assets that match your risk appetite and financial goals. While optimizing your non-registered investment accounts, such as the RRSP and TFSA, you may invest in low-cost index funds and benefit from capital growth and income. Buying a house in a nice area and renting it out to generate passive income is another way to participate in the real estate market. The Treasury bills, often known as T-bills, issued by the American federal government are another important and secure investment. To help you develop the finest investing strategy, you must get started early, diversify your holdings, and consult a specialist. 7. Live inside your means. The most important thing to do if you're a regular employee and want to learn how to get rich quick with a stable job is to live within your limits. You may achieve financial independence and accelerate the completion of your financial goals by living within your means. Start by eliminating non-essential spending on things like dining out, canceling unwanted subscriptions, purchasing solely for necessities, and paying less for entertainment. Set your weekly or monthly spending cap to assist you stop making minor purchases that pile up over time. 8. Boost your income. Along with conserving money, think about finding extra methods to enhance your income, such as asking for a pay raise at your present position while pursuing a promotion or upskilling by taking more online courses and certifications. Search for a higher paying position in your field if you are unable to increase your salary with your current employer. Once you start making money through a wage increase or a new job, you may pay off your obligations rapidly and increase your investing contributions to increase your wealth. To get the greatest deal, think about visiting your financial advisor. Alternatively, make a sound investment strategy that fits your risk profile and long-term goals. 9. Guard your assets. Once you've begun to accumulate wealth, the final and most important stage is to protect it. There are several strategies to safeguard your net worth, including diversifying your investment portfolio to spread risk and reduce losses, setting up an emergency fund in case of unforeseen financial shocks, and buying insurance for your assets to provide financial stability. In order to enhance financial investments and lower financial risk, you should also avoid taking on too much debt. This will free up your cash flow from high-interest loans. 10. Look after your health. Your health is the only thing that will help you work for long hours. If you maintain your health, you could do any task. You just need to cancel the junk foods and consume healthy foods. You may also start doing exercises. You could simply do some push-ups at home. You don't need to go to gym for simple exercises. You may walk and go to your workplace if it is nearby. Also, you may walk and go to the nearby shops instead of using your car. Remember, if you have your health, you will have money. That's all for this video. Now you are known to all the 10 secret and ultimate steps that will make you a millionaire in 2023. Let me know in the comments which video you want next. Press the subscribe button if you want more videos related to finances. Also, hit the like button. Share this video with all of you friends and workmates. Thank you for watching.